Today we're going to make farro and greens with air-fried chicken. Farro is a high-protein, high-fiber ancient whole grain wheat, and it does contain gluten. I cooked it according to package directions. I added chicken stock concentrate, but you can use better than bouillon, bouillon cubes, or just boil in chicken broth. When it's done cooking, leave it covered and set aside. Next, chop a medium onion. I always use yellow onions. I'm not sure why. Then zest a lemon. Make sure you're gentle and only get the peel, not the bitter white pith underneath, and slice the lemon into wedges. Whack some garlic cloves with the side of your knife to make them easier to peel. See how easy? Let's try that again. Now mince or grate the garlic. I'm lazy, so I grated it. This can be tricky because the smaller the pieces of garlic, the faster they burn. Now cut the tips off of some asparagus spears, then cut off the woody ends. It's annoying, but I do them one at a time to avoid waste. Bending them so that they snap at the correct place is just an old chef's tale. That doesn't work. Cut them again so all the pieces are similarly sized. You can use any veggies you like, but I had some leftover Brussels sprouts. I just picked out anything that looked gross and added the rest to the bowl. Next, we're going to dress them with oops, that's olive oil, pepper, and salt, and toss thoroughly to coat. If you decide to use chicken breast, pat dry on both sides. Spray with oil. I always use a Misto because I can use whatever oil I want and it doesn't contain any chemical propellants. There's a link in the description to the one that I use. Then add salt and pepper, and of course do both sides. Always preheat your air fryer. When it gets hot, add your chicken and veggies to the basket. Air fry 360 for 10 minutes or until the chicken is cooked to 165 degrees internally. Set a reminder to flip your chicken halfway through and be sure to mix the vegetables too. When it's finished, loosely tent the chicken under foil to rest while we finish the farro. We're going to cook down our chopped onion, then add garlic and cook until just fragrant. Add the cooked farro and stir. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter and mix. Then add lemon zest and a few squeezes of lemon juice. Stir in grated Parmesan. This stuff isn't the greatest, but it will work. Use the highest quality you can afford and be sure to season as well. Plate the farro first, then top with veggies. Slice the chicken and place on top. Add a little more Parmesan and enjoy your easy, healthy dinner.